Hello Gunpla fans, this is Joe of Joe's Gunpla here with another video, and I already tried to film this unboxing once, and the file got corrupted, so I got these packages a couple days ago actually, and I've already gone through them for the first unboxing that I tried to record, and yeah, so all the boxes are opened, which is fine because trying to open them one-handed on camera never works out so great. So the funny thing is that I had all of these in my private warehouse together, and it turned out it was cheaper to split it up into 2 shipments by FedEx than to ship them all at once in one go. But everything fit in the one large box, which is what I did. So this one is empty. So let's get right to it. Let's see. First thing is the 2013 Gunpla catalog. Along with, if I can dig them out here, there we go. Got some decals, Master Grade Epion, and 2 Verkaz of the Sinanju. I have a TT Hongli Sinanju, and I haven't tried out the dry transfers yet for the TT Hongli kits, so I figured I might use those for that, or I'll save one set for the OVA version if I ever get it, and the other set is for the Bandai Sinanju because I decided I needed to get the real version. So, and this guy, I've already flipped through it a little bit, and I'm surprised that the 2010 version, they included all of the SD kits, and they took them out of this version. So it's just got all of the normal proportioned kits, high grades, master grades, age is in here, 00, seed, wing, everything's in here except for SD kits, and there aren't any of the exclusives. They do have the builder's parts though that came out over the past few years, so I thought that was a cool addition. Trying to find something that I'm going to need here in a moment. There it is. Okay. So, let me set that aside. Oh, those aren't in English either. Yeah, it's all in Japanese, of course, but I was hoping some of the names would be in English, but they're not. That's okay. And the reason why I was hoping they would be in English is because I bought a whole bunch of the old 1/144th scale V Gundam kits. In fact, I got all of them in one go. So, this one I think is called the Shaitarn. Not 100% on that. Let's see. Gotta make room here. Set these aside. The Zelidia. Yeah, some of these are in English and some of them are not. V2 Buster Gundam. Victory 2. gun blaster. Let's see. This one, which I don't know what that says. Tomliot, I think. Weapon set. Let's see. I think this is the Gun EZ. I'm not sure. Yeah, it's not in English anywhere. It could be. I know some of them come with, a sticker set. It has the name. Yeah, there it is. Gun EZ. There we go. I think this is the James gun. Let's see. The Abigor, and this guy is quite a bit larger than the others. There we go. Focus. Okay. And this guy showed up recently in Build Fighters. Let's see. Yes, Sazavi Burka. I'll get to that in a moment. Victory Gundam with the booster pack. I have no idea what this one's called. I don't know if he's got a sticker with his name. There we go. Contio? Oops. Forgive me. Bad camera. Oh, let's see what else. Normal Victory Gundam. Big Shoku. Shoku. Don't know what that one is. Let's see. Open it up. Get a sticker. Here we go. Zoloat. I think that's what it says. Zoloat. And the last Victory Gundam kit is the Javelin. I should have known that one. Cool. All right. So that was in. Those were all in the first box. Let's see here. This box is going to fall over. Okay. Proto Zero. Master Grade. I actually pre-ordered him, and he's been sitting in my private warehouse for a while, so I was glad to finally be able to ship him home. Full Armor Unicorn for Ka, and this box is like incredibly thick. When I first opened the box, the top, it wasn't all the way down. It couldn't go all the way down, and I've since rummaged through the bags and the runners and stuff, and I got it in there nice and neat, so it could close all the way. So I don't know if that was like a factory thing, like they didn't package it all the way, or what. But yeah, he's huge. And yeah, those decals is for the Bandai version that I finally got of the Sinanju Verka. Yeah, I will probably never buy another bootleg, unless it's something incredibly unique. They're not worth it. They're not worth it at all. So, yeah, definitely wanted to pick this guy up, kind of set things right. And the last kit, which you've already seen a glimpse of. Huge. Sinanju Verka. It's beautiful. I love it. It is amazing. And I'm working on a current project, which I'll be doing a whip video tomorrow. But I'll also be starting on him tomorrow. I got the new Verka completely assembled without decals, some minor painting, and no panel lining yet. But I did him last year as like a speed build, sort of competition contest thingy. And I think I got it all assembled, like I said, with minor painting in about 19 hours. So I might try and do a speed build with this guy too. I don't know yet. Or maybe I'll just savor the build, but we'll see. Anyway, huge pile of kits, huge box full of kits, and that's all for now. So until next time, happy building and take care. Bye.